Electrical contractors, if you do not have this book from Mike Holt Enterprises, you're leaving money on the table. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, so if you don't know, I'm the 360 electrician. It means we do everything 360, from gate motors to remodels to new construction, commercial, industrial, you name it. One of my favorite jobs is working for insurance companies. Why? Because insurance companies have deep pockets. They just don't want to pay. Your job is to know the code, which is the law, which, by the way, is week number 4 in the 360 Electricians Contractor Playbook. If you want to know more information, click this QR code, head to my website, www.the360electrician.com, or click the link in the descriptions. What we talk about is what you do when a wiring method is damaged or not acceptable. Well, guess what? 2026 code change, Article 300.4 now addresses it. Let me read you a little bit out of Mike Holt's book, just so you'll understand. Damaged conductors and wiring methods. Damaged conductors and wiring methods that are no longer suitable for use. Well, how the heck do you know if it's suitable for use? The insurance company is going to say in a residential, if water came down from, let's just say, the first floor to the basement, and in the walls is all NM cable, right? And all those walls got soaked. They ripped the drywall. They're drying them out. You know and I know that NM cables got wet. We know that all the devices got wet. All of that is considered damaged. Damaged conductors and wiring methods that are no longer suitable for use due to overheating, fire damage, corrosive influences, or water must be replaced. Now, how are you going to prove that? How much further are you going to go? Well, you're going to cite the code article to the insurance company explaining why half the house has to be remodeled and why you're not going to take liability if they don't do it. And the next thing you're going to do, well, I've got a little link that's not a secret, but it was until Brian House shared it to me. I want to share it to you. So if you DM me, show me the link down below, I'm going to send you the URL to the link that you're going to get that it's almost going to 100% ensure that they're going to pay you to rewire that house. Guys, I hope you get something out of these videos. Make sure you smash like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.